everyone, hope you are all doing great. Welcome to Uttara Home Kitchen. Today I am going to make two types of Bengali bhaja masalas which you can use for many vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes to add extra flavor. And if you like my recipes, then hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. Also comment down your favorite food. I will try to make as simple as I can. So let's start the preparation. First I will make the strong flavored bhaja masala. For that we need dry red chilies 4 to 5 pieces, bay leaf 2 pieces, cinnamon sticks 2 inches, cloves 10 to 12 pieces, coriander seeds 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, cardamom 9 to 10 pieces. Now heat a pan and add cumin seeds, coriander seeds, cloves and cardamoms. Now dry roast all these ingredients on high flame for 2 minutes until it changes the color. Stir continuously. After 2 minutes you can see the color has changed. Now turn off the heat and take it out in a bowl. Then follow the same process and dry roast the bay leaves. Bay leaf doesn't take much time, it will dry roast within 30 to 40 seconds. Now take it out the bay leaves. Now follow the same process and dry roast the chilies for 1 minute on high flame. When you see there is a slight change in color, take it out from the pan. Cinnamon stick takes more time for dry roasting. On medium or high flame, dry roast it for 4 to 5 minutes. You can roast all the ingredients together, but as you can see the time varies for the ingredients, so it's better to follow this process. Now leave it aside to become cool. After all these ingredients completely cool down, make a smooth powder of it. And the bhaja masala is ready. You can store the masala minimum for 1 month in a airtight container. Stay with Uttara Home Kitchen and you will get to know where you can use these masalas. So next I will make the light flavor bhaja masala. For that we just need 3 ingredients: cumin seeds 2 tablespoons, dry red chilies 5 to 6 pieces and 2 bay leaves. Now dry roast all the ingredients one by one. First I will dry roast the cumin seeds. It will take 2 minutes on high flame. Take it out after 2 minutes. Then I will dry roast the bay leaves. It will take 30 to 40 seconds on high flame. Take it out in a bowl. And then the dry red chilies. It will take around 1 minute on high flame. After 1 minute, take it out from the pan and leave aside all the ingredients to become cool. Now take a grinder jar and add all the ingredients. And make a smooth powder of all the ingredients. And it's ready. You can use this in many light dishes or in chaats to add extra flavor. Store the masala for at least 1 month in a airtight container. And stay with Uttara Home Kitchen, you will get to know in which dishes you can use the masalas. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.